Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add full screen reel to our Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all guys, I'm going to select a reel from my Instagram. I'm just going to click on the search button, and for example, I'm going to add this reel to my Instagram story. We can click on this icon, and then we can simply tap on add to story. Okay, and now
If
as
you
you
need
can
me,
see that the reel has been added to my Instagram story, and then when you get the full screen reel, we can zoom in like this. Okay, once you're done, you can click on your story to repost this reel to your Instagram story. And now the reel is being uploaded, and I'm going to check it on my story. Okay, this is the reel. I have just uploaded to my story. We just need to wait for it. Okay, now it's done. And or I guess that's how we can add full screen reel to our Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.